Welcome to this course on leveraging generative AI to transform your digital marketing career. Organizations and brands are increasingly leveraging generative AI to optimize marketing campaigns, and marketers who master generative AI are in high demand. Generative AI is transforming the digital marketing landscape. Imagine being able to create high-converting ad copy and optimize campaigns effortlessly, generate engaging blogs and social posts in seconds, personalize product recommendations, and craft dynamic email campaigns to boost conversions. Mastering generative AI in the key areas of digital marketing will set you apart as a top digital marketer. This course equips you with hands-on, job-ready skills to harness generative AI across key areas of digital marketing, including digital advertising, content creation, search engine optimization or SEO, e-commerce, and email marketing. You'll explore generative AI tools and techniques and learn how to write effective prompts to generate compelling marketing content and campaigns. Additionally, you'll discover AI-driven strategies to create engaging, personalized content that enhances targeted marketing efforts. The course is designed for a wide range of audiences who want to use the power of generative AI to boost their careers in digital marketing. These include digital marketing professionals, freelance writers, and consultants. It is also suitable for owners of small businesses or startups seeking to manage their digital marketing efforts. To get started with the course, you only need a basic understanding of generative AI, prompt engineering, and the marketing domain. The course consists of 6 modules, each designed to be completed in just 2 to 3 hours, and highlights the application of generative AI in a specific area. Let's take a closer look at what each module covers. In Module 1, you'll discover how generative AI transforms digital advertising by creating compelling ad copy, visuals, and personalized content while optimizing campaigns. Module 2 focuses on generative AI-driven SEO strategies, including keyword research, meta content creation, content optimization, and competitor analysis. Module 3 explores how generative AI enhances content creation, enabling the production of engaging and personalized marketing content such as blogs, articles, and social media posts. In Module 4, you'll explore how generative AI is transforming e-commerce from persuasive product descriptions to marketing copy for social media and website banners. In Module 5, you'll master AI-powered email marketing, creating personalized, engaging email copy. Module 6 provides insights into the limitations, concerns, and considerations surrounding the use of generative AI in digital marketing, covering data privacy, transparency, biases, and copyright ownership. To wrap up, you'll apply your knowledge in a final project and test your understanding with a course-graded assessment. This course combines foundational knowledge from videos and readings with hands-on experience through practical labs. Through the hands-on labs, you will develop skills in writing effective prompts to create compelling ad copy, engaging visuals, SEO-optimized keyword lists, and structured schema markup. Additionally, you will explore generative AI-powered tools to craft personalized content, generate persuasive product descriptions and recommendations, and create high-converting marketing copy. The final project ties everything together, letting you showcase your expertise in leveraging generative AI for a multitude of digital marketing activities and optimizing campaigns. The course also includes practice quizzes to reinforce your learning, with graded quizzes to test your understanding of the concepts. What's especially exciting are the expert viewpoint videos in which practitioners share insights on using generative AI in digital marketing. Boost your digital marketing career with generative AI and stay ahead as an innovative professional. Let's get started.